If you don't have many tools, don't worry about buying everything you will possibly ever need on your first visit to the hardware store. If you only plan to use a tool once or twice, you might consider renting or buying a less expensive tool. Our series of the best woodworking tools and accessories from Amazon is a great place to find inexpensive tools, and today, we will give you the 7 best woodworking tools and accessories that you must have. If you know that you will be using a tool for a long time and on multiple projects, purchasing a high-quality professional-grade tool probably makes the most sense. Hello, and welcome to part 6 of this awesome and interesting series of the best woodworking tools and accessories that you must have on Amazon. The links to all woodworking tools and accessories that we have listed in this video are in the description below. Make sure to watch the video till the end, because we have saved the most interesting tools at the end of the video. But before we get started, don't forget to support this channel by pressing the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified about the next best woodworking tools, accessories, and more. Let's begin with the Arbortech ball gouge. It is a spherically shaped grinder attachment that can rapidly hollow small concave surfaces in woodworking projects. It is specifically designed to provide exceptional control, balance, and performance in freehand wood shaping and carving. This 30 mm diameter ball-shaped cutter is ideal for carving smooth hollows in wooden spoons, small bowls, and is useful for small to medium sculpting. The ball gouge features anti-grab technology, which helps prevent the tool from digging. It gently bounces out, and when moved across a wooden surface, creating a chisel-like texture. Anti-grab technology may sound like a steaming load of marketing spin, and it is, but that doesn't mean it doesn't work. The shape of the ball gouge allows it to run extremely smoothly over the wood. When we've used these to hollow out bowls in our workshop, we can have it operating on full power, hollowing incredibly quickly, and yet we still don't get the level of tear out and rough patches that any other gouge will give you. The level of control you can attain with this gouge is really impressive. The ball gouge uses an M14 thread, designed to fit your standard 115 mm angle grinders. It can handle up to a speed of 12,000 revolutions per minute, making it the most efficient and high-performance tool of its caliber on the market. The ball gouge has a revolutionary, ring-shaped blade that is self-sharpening, rotatable, and replaceable to provide optimal value and durability. There's a good reason why this is one of the most popular angle grinder attachments in the world, and you can get this on Amazon for around $100. Next, the most important thing when it comes to wood carving is a sharp blade. A sharp knife will set you on the right path straight away. The MONARKIV 162 has a double-edged 55 mm stainless steel blade for use in both pull and push carving. The blade features a smaller curve from the range. The blade has been optimized to make it run more smoothly over the inside of the spoon or bowl. The improved edge bevels complete the blade, giving you the finest carving experience. To protect both your fingers and the blade, these knives now come optional with a simple but ingeniously designed blade sheath, made from Swedish vegetable tanned leather manufactured with cow hides from the region in which MONARKIV reside. You can get this on Amazon for about $30. Next, do you have a wood pile to maintain? Do you collect fallen timber from the bush? Save your back and get a Hookaroon. Bison has been forging quality tools for over 125 years. When you are lifting, pulling, or stacking short timber pieces, choose a Bison 1879 Hookaroon to help you out. Save you back and hands with Bison 1879 hand-forged Hookaroon. Bison tools are of the highest quality preferred by armies, firefighters, and foresters worldwide. Keep a Bison 1879 Hookaroon in your wood fire kit. The Bison 1879 Hookaroon is an incredibly useful tool for lifting, pulling, and stacking when trimming short timber. The faceted cut on the tempered tip firmly hooks into the wood yet releases easily. The solid hickory handle is ergonomically designed. Better to use a Hookaroon to move wood around than lifting with your back or pulling with your hands. You can get this for an affordable price, about $60, on the Woodcraft website store, or look for the description below for more information. If you enjoyed this video so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more future videos about best woodworking tools and accessories. If you're regularly scraping excess or working on fragile surfaces like veneers, You already know what a time-consuming and fraught process it can be. Just trying to access the center of a workpiece with a novel chisel can be impossible. So this LUBAN crank neck chisels can provide an excellent, cost-effective, and easy solution to these problems, making them a necessary weapon in any woodworker's arsenal. In providing a stylish twist to a banal problem, LUBAN have made the ordinary just that little bit extraordinary. For a little more substance behind the style, the angle of crank neck chisels makes them a fantastic planning alternative for accessing tight areas on builds and scraping flat surfaces in hard-to-get spaces with a smart crossover design. A LUBAN 4-piece set makes removing glue or excess paint and trimming dowels or pegs a stress-free operation. LUBAN takes accessibility to the next level, with their compact build ensuring they're some of the most useful chisels on the market. It's time you brought a touch of flair back to the garden shed. Stay classy, woodworkers. Now you can get these for around $100. Holding your work securely is critical to success, not just to produce great results, but also to ensure your work is completed safely. With ArmorTool, it produces a broad range of work holding devices that guarantee perfect safe results every time. Suitable for all makers, both enthusiast and professional. Holding work securely when machining ensures great safe results. Not only does the work need to be clamped very securely, but the clamps must also be versatile, efficient, and easy to use. Check out this AutoPro T-Track hold-down toggle clamp from ArmorTool. This auto-adjust B5H T-Track toggle clamp is fitted with a 5 and 16 inches T-bolt, designed to fit a standard of 5 and 16 inches T-Track. This versatile clamp slides easily through the T-Track and can rotate 360 degrees. This allows for a wide range of hold-down clamping applications, including CNC routers. The auto-adjust mechanism eliminates the need for constant readjustment and enables the clamp to maintain clamping pressure regardless of the material's thickness. ArmorTool's AutoPro technology automatically adjusts to variations in workpiece dimensions while maintaining consistent clamping pressure. In other words, they can handle multiple workpiece thicknesses without the need for constant height adjustments. This feature greatly increases your productivity and safety. The integrated clamping pressure adjustment screw is used to create a wide range of clamping pressures. Rotate the adjustment screw clockwise to decrease the pressure and counterclockwise to increase it. Clamp adjusts easily for both delicate work and for when high pressure is needed. Once set, the clamping pressure is always the same regardless of workpiece thickness and is adjusted only if needed with the set screw. Each hold-down clamp features a large alloy lockdown handle for easy grip and comfort, a notched T-Track fixing wheel that can be tightened easily by hand, and a knurled height adjustment knob that's easily accessible. The hold-down fixing spindle is fully adjustable both in the vertical and horizontal planes. This means you can get a grip on your piece in several ways securely and easily. You can get this perfect ArmorTool on Amazon for about $45. Next on our list, and a definitely must-have as a woodworker or a homebuddy, is the Starrett Combination Square. It is simply the best combination square for 12 inches on our list of the 10 best combination squares. Our favorite combination square is Starrett C11H-12-4R. But if you need something that is as good as our favorite but larger, this is the best choice for you. The blade is photo-engraved, made of hardened steel, and has a satin chrome finish, a scriber, spirit level, reversible lock bolt, and a bearing surface that is accurately ground come with it. The blades come in a variety of lengths, such as 4-inch, 6-inch, 12-inch, and 24 inches. The 4-inch and 6-inch combination squares are the perfect size to carry in your apron pocket. Having it in your apron pocket makes it available immediately for a quick measurement or marking at the bench or at a tool prior to a cut. This is one of those times where you just need to accept the fact that you are purchasing a quality tool, and it is well worth the price in order to achieve fine craftsmanship, and you can get this for about $130 on Amazon. Your workshop can be a noisy place, and prolonged exposure to noise will lead to temporary or permanent hearing loss. But today, for our top must-have that you might want to add on your list of tool and accessories in woodworking, you can now eliminate workplace noise with ISOtunes. ISOtunes hearing protection keeps those who work and play in loud environments safe. ISOtunes Link 2.0 are EN 352 certified have a 25 decibel noise reduction rating and feature SafeMax technology that limits the volume to 79 decibels. Even if you are rocking out in the noisiest place imaginable, you are protected. If you are working and making calls in a super noisy environment, you can now upgrade your ISOtunes Link 2.0 with the boom mic sold separately. The boom mic plugs onto your earmuffs very easily. It is designed to meet the toughest of standards for use in the workshop, yard, job site, and beyond. Sweat and dust resistant with up to 50 hours of battery life. Stay connected throughout the day. ISOtunes Link 2.0 feature soft. Memory foam ear cushions and headband for a comfortable custom fit. Link 2.0 also feature raised control buttons for easy navigation. Unlike traditional hearing protection, ISOtunes earbuds and earmuffs utilize cutting-edge technology. You are now free to enjoy a safe, convenient, high-quality audio and communication experience while you work. You can have this on Amazon for about $120. As a thank you for being a devoted viewer and subscriber, I would like to give you a gift of several woodworking plans. Simply click on the link at the description below and enter your email to receive and download the plans. If you missed any video episodes of our series, click on the playlist videos on the left side of the screen to enjoy watching the rest. If you like our content so far, make sure to like the video and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.